With over decades of experience in disaster restoration, serving the Colorado Springs area, Restoration One works hard to ensure you a stress-free restoration and reconstruction process. Our specialists will work hard to return your property back to its original shape. We know the importance of managing and dealing with property damage problems fast. We will restore the beauty of your home or business after any type of damage while extending the life of your property by repairing, sealing, and rebuilding affected areas with high-quality products. All techs are certified for contact cleaning, fire, cleanup, mold remediation, and water cleanup. Voted top 10 franchise in the country with 24/7 on-call services, don't hesitate to contact us today.